Did you know there are two incredibly fast methods in Photoshop to enhance image details? Check out the before and after results of the first method. And here's the before and after of the second method. But if you skip ahead in the video, you might miss part of the tutorial. By the way, right at this moment while I'm editing this video, my channel has reached 994 subscribers. It took 1 year and 11 days to get here. It's been a tough journey, but thanks to my passion for this work and your support, I'm now close to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for being part of this journey. Now, let's get into the tutorial. Method 1. First, press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Then, go to the Filter menu and select Camera Raw Filter. Now, I'll zoom in to make the changes more visible. Adjust the texture slider in the Effects section to bring out more details. Increase clarity and dehaze to add more depth to the image. Vignette doesn't affect details, so I'll set it to 0. I'll add a bit of grain to make the image look more natural. Now take a look at the before and after. You can clearly see the improvement. Click OK. And let's move on to the second method. Method 2. First, duplicate the image again. Change the layer's blend mode from normal to linear light. Then, go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Increase the radius to reveal more details. Check out the before and after. It's much sharper now. This technique is not only great for enhancing image details, but also widely used in professional retouching. If you're interested in retouching, I've linked related tutorials in the video description. Which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll answer them carefully. Stay tuned for the next videos.